Welcome back, friends. Once again, this is Asif from Modern International School. You are welcome once again to e-learning program of Modern International School, HISWA. So, guys, ready? Because today we are going to solve a couple of questions of test paper 4, class 7th, chapter number 4, rational numbers. So, friends, let's take it started. Here the first question says express each of the following rational numbers in standard form. There are three sub questions, first, second and third, and now we have to solve these questions. First of all, keep in your mind what about what you have learned in the previous time. What about the rational numbers in a standard form? Now first of all, have a look, this minus 209 divided by 247. Now first of all, see the HCF of numerator and denominator. If the HCF is 1, then it is a standard form. Okay, otherwise divide by HCF in each numerator and denominator as well, then you will get the answer. Now next, see, have question number third sub question, 84 divided by 147. Yes, here denominator having negative sign and we have to turn the denominator into positive sign and find the HCF of numerator and denominator. If the HCF is other than 1, then divide each numerator and denominator by the HCF. Okay, now see students, question number second, list 5 rational numbers between -2 and 1. Okay, because we have to solve these questions, that means we have to find the rational numbers, 5 rational numbers in between them. So there are 4 methods to find out: midpoint methods, numerator methods, denominator methods when the denominator are different. Now here we have to find the very simply way. First of all, write the given numbers as -2. Now this can be written as -2 by 1. Okay, and now we have to equal denominator of both the rational numbers. Suppose -2 and 1 is given. Now we are going to make a rational number as p by q whose denominator are equal in 2 as well as equal in 1. Have a look, -2 can be written as -2 by 1. This -2 multiplied by 6 and 1 multiplied by 6 becomes -12 by 6. Now suppose here find the 5 rational number. Now we have to multiply the more than just 1, means we have to multiply by 6 in numerator and denominator. Now at last we got -12 by 6. Similarly, this one here, 1 can be written as 1 by 1. Now we have to equal this rational numbers as denominator 6. That means we have to multiply denominator in numerator as 6. Now numerator multiply by 6 and denominator multiply by 6. This is 6 by 6. Now here this can be written as -12 by 6. Now if we decrease 1, if we -11 by 6, -11 by 6, this can be written -10 by 6, -9 by 6, -8 by 6, -7 by 6 and -6 by 6. So here -12 by 6 is equal to -2. Okay, here -6 by 6 is equal to 1, is equal to plus, is equal to only 1, sorry, is equal to 1, sorry, here is minus. Okay, this is equal to -1. Now this numbers, this rational numbers, this is -11 by 6, -10 by 6, -9 by 6, -8 by 6, -7 by 6. These are all 5 rational numbers in between -2 and 1. So this is your required solution. But because you know there are infinite many rational numbers exist in between two rational numbers, so according to your book or according to your book's answer, this answer may be matched or may not be matched. Okay, that means this is your answer. Now students, next question number 7 says How many pieces each of length 3 and 3 by 4 meter can be cut from a rope of length 45 meter? Okay. Now see, here we have to find the number of pieces. How many pieces? Okay. Now first of all, see, the length of the rope is 45 meter. Now we consider there is a length. There is a rope with length 45 meter. Okay. Now we have to cut it down into equal pieces as 3 and 3 by 4, but we have to find the how many pieces. Suppose this is 1 piece, 2 piece, 3 piece, 4 piece, dot dot dot. Suppose the x pieces. Okay. How many pieces? Let x pieces be cut of equal length as 3 by 3 of rope 45 meter. Okay, that means each pieces is 3 and 3 by 4. And how many pieces? Suppose x pieces we consider as x pieces. Okay, that means suppose hence according to the questions 3 plus 4 plus 3 and 3 plus 4 plus dot 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 up to x pieces, and is equal to gives us the total length of the rope. Okay, now that means this can be written as 3 by 4 multiply by yes x is equal to 45. Now see, this x is equal to 45 and this is divided by 3 and 3 by 4. Now you can, this is 45 divided by, now turn this into improper, 4 3 ja 12, 12 plus 3 15 by 4. Okay, now see here, this can be written as 45, this may multiply by 4 by 15. Okay, here is x. Okay, because if we change this operation as multiplication, then we have to change this numerator goes to numerator and numerator goes to denominator. That means the reciprocal of 15 by 4 is 4 by 15. Okay, now 15 1 ja and 15 3 ja 45. Here x is equal to 12 meter. Okay, this is your answer. Now students, see the next question. Question number 11 says the product of two rational numbers is minus 1 by 6 if one of them is minus 5 by 8. The other number is what? Because question number 11 has 4 options. Okay, now see friends, here we have to find the other numbers. Okay, because this question has 4 options, because this is the test paper na, this test paper consisting of all previous problems that we have solved. Okay, now see, the test paper 11 says 11 number, the product of two numbers. Here the first option A minus 4 by 15, second B 4 by 15 and 15 by 4 minus 15 by 4. Okay, now any one of them is correct answer. Now first of all solve, then match. So here let's suppose let other number is equal to x. Okay, now according to the questions, here the product of two numbers is minus 1 is given. Okay, now the other find. Now other multiply by 1 is given and this is equal to minus 1 by 6. Why? Because they given the product of two numbers. Here is the one, here is the other, here is the one number that is given and here is the other number, means the product of two numbers is equal to minus 1 by 6. It is given. Now solve. Here x as it is, because we have to find the value of x. This is minus 1 by 6 and this here is the multiply and it becomes this minus 1 by 6 divided by minus 5 by 8. Now minus 1 by 6, this can be written as, yes, change the sign, because this is the reciprocal of multiplication. If we change the reciprocal, that means we have to find the reciprocal of this rational number, means x upon minus, sorry, 8 upon minus 5. Here minus minus will get cancelled. Okay, this is 2 3 ja 6 and 2 4 ja 8. Here 1 multiply by 4, 4 1 ja 4, and here 3, sorry, 5 multiply by 3, 15. So this is your B option. Okay, here have a look. Here have a look. 11 is B, 4 by 15. Okay, this is your answer. I hope you will get. Now friends, see question number 16, C group, and we have taken the second sub question of question number 16. Fill in the blanks. Here the sub questions second is given, minus 16 5 minus 65 by 14 divided by dash is equal to 2.5. That means we have to find the value of about this dash. What number should be filled here to gets left side and right side equal? Now here suppose here dash is x. Now minus 60 by 5 minus 60 by 5 minus 65 by 14 divided by x. That means now change this operator, this operation as multiplication. Now this will also change, here becomes 1 by x. Okay, now here I did, this is 2 to 4 plus 1 5 by 2. Okay, this is as it is. Now this is as it is 1 by x, this is 5 by 2, and this will go in division. That means minus 65 by 14. Now this is 5 by 2 as it is. Here we change this operation as multiplication is multiply, and you will also change 14 by minus 65. Here 5 1 ja 5 and 5 13 ja 65. Okay, 2 1 ja 2 and 2 7 ja 14. Okay, 1 multiply by 7, 7 1 ja 7. Okay, here 13 1 ja 13, this is minus 13. Now here 1 by x, here is 1 by x, so 1 by x is equal to 7 by minus 13. Now invertendo, that means taking inverse in both sides, means denominator goes to numerator and numerator comes to denominator. Here the denominator goes to up, means numerator, and this come downward, that means minus 13 by 7. This is your answer. If we change the left hand side, means this is up, this is down, it will also change up and down. That means x is equal to minus 13 by 7. Here is 1 is hidden. Okay, this is your answer. I hope you will understand. Now your homework is test paper 4. You complete the test paper 4. Okay, from question number 1 to 17. I hope you will understand. Okay, have a nice day.